How to understand the red, green, and blue box. The red boxes mean you do not want to attack these specific categories at all. So if these accounts are listed on your credit report, but you do not want them to be attacked, you will click or select in the red box. For example, inquiries. You have inquiries on your credit report, but you do not want them to be attacked, you will check in the red. If these items are not listed on your credit report, you do not have to check in the red. The green boxes mean you want your accounts to be attacked separately. Separately means you're making your letters more effective. Now, if you do have these problematic areas on your credit report, you want to attack your inquiry separately, meaning that a separate set of letters are going to be generated with only inquiry information listed on there. You're going to check in the green box. The blue boxes mean everything is going to be attacked together. All of the problematic accounts are going to be listed on the letters all together. Now, if we're going to attack items listed in the green for inquiries, charge-offs, this is how we will calculate this. Everything checked in the blue box equals 6. It's a total of 6. We do not count each checked blue box. Everything checked in the blue box equals a total of 6. Everything checked in the green box is a total of 3. So each green check box equals 3. Now, how we will calculate this? This is 6, 9, 12 possible letters that can be generated based off of this credit report. What we will then do is change this number here to 12. As you can see, there's no 9 or 12, so we're going to always go with the greater number. The second box we can keep at default, allowing the software to generate the information and the items based off of what's been collected from the credit report. The third box we can keep it as default for the same reasons. And the fourth box we can keep at default as well. Now, if you hover over them, they'll tell you exactly what it stands for. TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian Credit Reporting Agency letters. Other credit reporting agency attack letters are your secondary bureaus, and the data furnisher letters are in regards to creditor information. Once you have completed this step, you can go ahead and click Next and move on to continue to attack the negative items on the credit report.